Here I have KRUGER MATZ Move 9, and today I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset operation on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the system section, reset options, and here you have to select the last option, erase all data, factory reset, then tap on reset phone, and then confirm whole operation by tapping on erase everything. After that your device will be restarted in about a minute or so. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.